Welcome back. In previous session, we completed up to here, create a vendor master. In this session, we are going to understand material master configuration. What are the steps required to create a material master? These are the steps defined here. First, we need to create a material types if required, because SAP also delivers standard one. If you want to use standard one, no need to create any material types here. If you need custom, then we need to create a custom one. Then updating the quantity and value for material master. Define the number ranges for newly created material types. Then material groups. This is required at the time of creating material master. This will be used for reporting purpose. Create a material master. This is the final step. This will be the end user. Up to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is part of a configuration. See, in SAP already delivered standard material types like ROH represent raw material, ERSA stores and spares, packing material, finished goods PERT, semi-finished goods HALP, trading goods HAVA. Like this, SAP already delivered standard one. If you want to use this standard one, no need to create any further material types. We can go and use the same. For each one, SAP also recommends for anything if you are procuring, maintain this price control, moving average price. Inside material master, you will find in accounting price control. If you are anything procuring from the outside, we need to maintain price control V. If we are manufacturing anything inside the organization, then we need to select price control S. Price control S means this is a standard price. In this course, we are going to create raw material, material type, and this trading goods. We are going to create our custom material types for the purpose of understanding. Generally, it is not required. We can use the standard, but to understand how to create a custom, we are going to create these two. Now, first define attributes of material type. This is the path, logistics general, material master, basic settings. We are using T code here, OMS2. Go to SAP. Enter OMS2. See, from here you can create your custom one. So how to create the custom material type? We are going to create ROH, raw material. For this raw material, SAP delivered this one. So we are going to create this ROH custom one. Select this, click on copy. Here give any custom name here. I am going to give YROH, raw material 8800, and deselect this external number because we are going to use internal number range only. Change this to V. Other fields based on our requirement, based on the context, we are going to understand. Press enter. What we did, we deselected this one and price control is V. Press enter. Again press enter. See, we have successfully copied YROH. Similarly, go to HAWA, select this, click on copy, YTRA, trading goods 8800. Deselect this one, trading goods, we are going to use V only. Press enter, enter, save this. We have successfully created two material types, one for raw material, another one for trading goods. What we have to do next, go to notes. Second step, quantity and value update. See, if you want to update the quantity in mm, select quantity update at a material type level. Value update means if you want to post any financial entry into FI, then you need to select that. Without selecting this one, financial posting is not possible. See, for example, let us take one scenario here. I procured 100 computers. Price is 10 USD. Here this is quantity and this is part of a see here I have quantity, here I have price, this is the value financial. So if you want to maintain quantity basis in you have to select this since it is a quantity. If you want to post any entry like this in FI for this value, you have to select a value update. If you don't select this value update, then no financial posting will be generated for FI. That we will understand in coming classes. As we move further, slowly you will understand this concept, what is non-valuated and what is valuated. So this is our scenario. We want to update quantity as well as the value. I will go to one report in MB52 is the report. Just execute this. This is other company code. Just to show you. See here we have quantity, here we have value. If you don't select a value update, it will be 0. There won't be any financial postings here. You can be able to see only quantity here. If you don't select quantity, nothing will be updated in this quantity field. That is the reason we need to select a quantity as well as the value so that it can be updated in records. Now go to click on position, enter newly created material types ROH. This is our ROH. Click on quantity and value updating. Click on position. Here enter a plants here 8801. See, these are the plants created for my company code. Quantity update, select this quantity update, value update, value update. Save this. Similarly, you need to repeat this step for trading goods as well. Go back. Now go to position, YTRA, select this, double click on this one, locate violation area, that is plant. See here it is not selected for both plants. Select this quantity updating, value updating. Save this. We have successfully completed this step. Now next step is to define a number ranges for newly created material type. See, we created two material types. One is for raw material, one is for trading goods. Now when you create a material masters for raw materials, to understand whether it is a raw material, whether it is a trading goods, we are going to use different number ranges. See, any material master start with 1, that indicates this is a raw material master. If anything starts with 2, that indicates a trading goods. So now we have to create two number ranges. This is the T code. Go to T code, click on maintain groups, click on see here, click on insert. Raw material numbers for YROH material type. Here enter 1000001 1 1 2 3 4 5. Press enter. See, this material master number, you can have maximum 18 digits. These are called leading zeros. Before this before this one, this indicates leading zeros. Now press enter. It is saying enter intervals without overlapping. Overlapping means this number range is already used. So what we are going to do, we are going to increase one more zero, 1 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. Press enter. Save this. Next, control F. Find your material type YROH. See, this is my material type. This one is my material type. Click on this one. YROH. It is here. Double click on this one. Now next, this is in blue. Now select your material type. Select this one. This is newly created number ranges. Now click here. Assign elements. See, right now it is blank here. Nothing is assigned under this raw material numbers. Click on this one. See, it has been assigned to this. Save this. Now similarly create another number range. Insert trading numbers for YTRA 8800. This number 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now save this. Control F. YTRA. See, this is here. Double click on this one. YTRA. See here it is. Double click on this one. Now select newly created number range for trading. See, this is trading goods numbers. Select this one as an element. Save this. From EHP 6 onwards, you are not going to find this one. Insert. If you don't find this, here you will find one option for create. Use that option for creating the number range. We have successfully assigned number range for this newly created material types. Go back. Here I mentioned clearly. Next step is to define a material groups. At the time of creating material master, we are going to input these material groups in material master itself. This will be used for reporting. So here click on new entries. Here bath. Now what I will do, Y001 bath, Y002 lighting, Y003 tiles. Save this. I have successfully saved this. The next step, material master. This is the T code for material master. See, in SAP, this is ending with 1. Generally, most of the T codes logic will be same. This 1 indicates create, 2 indicates change, 4 indicates display. Sorry, this is not 4, this is 3 here. This is 3. 1 indicates create, 2 indicates change, 3 indicates display, 4 indicates change history. This concept is applicable for many T codes. This is the T code for creating material master. Here we are going to create a material master. Now go to MM01. Here don't enter anything because we selected internal number range. System will generate the number. It's same like a vendor number. Select industry here, retail, material type, whatever the material type we created here. We are going to select a YTRA. This is YROH. YROH. See here, trading goods. Select this. Now Press enter. See, at the time of creating Material Master, you are going to find many tabs here. These views are selected based on context only. If SD module is implemented, if you want to maintain any SD data, you need to select sales, sales, sales. So right now, we don't want to maintain any SD related information. Select basic data one. This is for foreign trade. This is not required. This is for sales only. This is for purchasing. If you want to procure this from outside, select this. Compulsorily, you have to maintain. This MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, MRP4, these are required for the purpose of material requirement planning. What is material requirement planning? That we are going to understand at later point of time. Right now, we don't need these tabs. Whenever it is required, then we are going to select this. So select basic one, purchasing one, select this general plant, these two. When WM module is implemented, warehouse management 1, warehouse management 2, if WM warehouse management module is implemented, then that is required. This is for a quality management. If you implement a quality management module in our company, then select this one. So ultimately, the concept of selecting this view is based on modules implemented. So here we didn't implement any QM and WM SD, so we are not going to select unnecessary tabs here. Accounting one, this is required. Costing also, this is required only when in CO controlling module product costing is implemented. Otherwise, this is not required. Hope you understand. Now click on continue. Here you need to enter your plant 8801 and storage location 0001. Press enter. See, system automatically generated this first number. Automatically generated since we are using internal number ranges. This computer. Base units. You can use each EA. This is the material group. Press F4. Here all the material groups created at client level. So whatever the groups created, that will be available for all company codes. There is no restrictions here. If you want to select motherboards, you can select motherboard, hard disk, pumps. We created one. We are going to select Y001. In Material Master, you are going to find many fields in each tab. So these details we will explore when it is required and based on the context only. If I start explaining all these fields in this session itself, it will become complicated for you also. You are not going to feel easy. You are going to feel complicated learning this module. So as and when required, then we are going to understand these fields one by one. Here enter division. Division we created 88. If you want to see, press F4. See, this is the division. Press enter. See, whatever the fields you selected at entry level, this will be indicated with this yellow box here. If you press enter, it will skip these unselected tabs and it will directly jump to this one, purchasing. Press enter. See, now we are in purchasing. If you want to see all the tabs here, click here. You are going to see all the tabs here. So here, purchasing group, we created purchasing group. So this is the purchasing group. I'm taking this one. Now next, press enter. Press enter. I didn't create this profit center. Creation of a profit center business area. This is the job of FI consultant. For learning module, this is not required because profit center and business area segments, these will be created in FI module for the purpose of reporting. So we don't have any mandatory requirement to create this unnecessary information for learning module. If you want to maintain this, you can maintain gross weight 1 kg, net weight 1, like this you can maintain. Now accounting, coming to accounting, now here select a valuation class, press F4. Since we copied this, automatically system will copy everything. 3100, this is V only. If you want to enter on dummy figure here, moving average price. When you procure this, automatically it will override. We are going to enter 100 here. Press enter. Do you want to save your data? Yes, I want to save. See, we have successfully created first material. Hope you understand how to create material. In next session, note down all the steps here. We are going to understand FIMM posting periods.